Now, before you register on Primeshare, make sure you watch this video to the end to avoid silly mistakes. We are going to know if Primeshare is legit or a scam. This is going to be a complete breakdown of Primeshare. Before any business can succeed, it has to be based on two things. Number one, either they are selling a product, or number two, they are offering the service. These are the few things we are going to be digging out in this video. Before we can continue with this video, it's very important you subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be sharing more reviews about making money online platforms in Nigeria and in Africa, so that before you can jump into any online opportunity, you can have a clear understanding about the opportunity before you can go ahead and register. So subscribe to this channel so that you can be having more updates about reviews about making money online platform like this. Also, do like this video if you are getting value from this video already. Alright, so let's go straight into the video. So recent times, persons have been reaching out to me asking me, is this platform a legit platform or a scam platform? What is Primeshare? I want to register. How can I get started? And all of that. So with that, I have to go ahead and do my own little research and my own findings about the platform. So everything I'll be sharing in this video is based on the little research I have done and the vetting I have done on their website and from the experience from people who are already on the platform. Okay, so we are going to be finding out if Primeshare is legit or a scam. Now, the first question that comes to your mind when hearing this is, what is Primeshare? Now, many of you have not known what is Primeshare. Maybe you are hearing this for the first time. You don't know what this platform is all about. Now, Primeshare is an online earning platform that allows its users to earn money via three structures. Okay, it's possible some persons have not heard about it. Yes, it's very possible. So that's why I'm going to be breaking everything down in this very video. So let's go on. So now, number two question is when it was launched. Now, Primeshare was launched according to them and according to the findings on their website. It was launched on the 1st of April 2023, which is this very year of the time of recording this video. Okay, so the third question is countries which is available on. Now, Primeshare is currently available in 3 countries, okay, which is Nigeria, Ghana, and Cameroon for now. Okay, now the main question is, how does Primeshare works? Now, Primeshare skills solely deals with 3 structures, okay, according to them. Now, number 1 structure is the affiliate structure, number 2 is the ebook structure, and number 3 is the skill acquisition structure. Okay, more research about the platform. As you can see, our core areas of specialties are ebook sales, incentives, and affiliate marketing. Okay, ebook can be created and affiliated and gain as much as 90% revenue by the affiliate marketer. Incentive, which are the courses to make 80% revenue as an affiliate marketer on the platform. Okay, and these are the courses they claim they have, okay, of which I talked about earlier. Okay, we got to cover with our premium courses. Okay, learn in demand skills to stand out in the tech-driven society of today. Now, these are courses about advanced website development, okay, classes, advanced iOS and Android app creation, advanced copywriting course, advanced graphic design course, advanced Instagram and Facebook advertisement, advanced mini importation, advanced UI UX design classes, advanced WhatsApp media classes, and advanced YouTube monetization classes. Now, these are courses you have access to once you register with the registration fee of which they mentioned earlier. So now, these are what they claim they have in the platform. Now, here's the breakdown of the earning structure in a pictorial form. As you can see, earning structure, registration fee is $8 and the welcome bonus is $5, as you can see right there, and the daily trend is $1, okay, and referral bonus is $6.4. And the first spillover is $0.6, second spillover is $0.2, and the transfer of any is $12. And these are for Nigerians, those who are from Nigeria. Now, the exchange rate is $5 per $1. Now, the earning structure right here in Nigeria is 4,000 naira, which is equivalent to 8,000, okay, for the sign-up fee. And the instant payback is 2,500, which is the $6. And the daily share trend is 500 naira, as you can see down there. And the referral bonus is 3,200. And the first spillover is 300, second spillover is 100 naira. And this spillover is when you invite someone to join the platform and that person invite another person to join the platform. Okay, you are going to get a spillover of 200 from that your referral downline. Sure, you understand? Now, you can even earn passive income through this platform. Now, before you will be able to allow to earn on Primeshare, you must have a registered account according to them. Now, this is only done when you have a smartphone to sign up and complete your registration. Okay, you need to get registered with a certain amount, and the amount proves that you have been completely registered into the platform, and it is $8. Okay, now $8 is the amount, is the sum of the amount you are going to use to register on the platform. This amount can be converted to Nigeria currency, which gives you a sum of 4,000 naira, which you have to register, and this amount is known as the registration fee. After the account creation, you will be allowed to participate in any form of any fees of the platform, which also gives you access to the courses, which is the courses we mentioned earlier, and also give you access to participate on the affiliate program, where you are allowed to invite and make money when the person you invite registered. Now, I say participation on the affiliate program isn't a must, but only helps you generate more income. You get a referral commission of $6.4, which can be converted to 3,200 in the Nigeria currency when someone registers. As soon as you get registered successfully, you'll be offered a welcome bonus, and the welcome bonus will be added to your available balance immediately. And the welcome bonus is $5, which is 2,500 immediately. Okay, when you register with 4,000, that means you'll be having a 2,500 bonus once you create and register your account. Now you are going to be asking about their withdrawals. Now this is their withdrawals. You have to pay more attention to this very aspect, okay, before you can register on the platform, or before anybody lure you in to register on the platform. Now about their withdrawals, now for non-referrals, withdrawal is made every second day of every month, okay, and the minimum withdrawal is $40, which is 20,000 naira. Now for referrals, withdrawal days are Mondays and Thursday, and minimum withdrawal is $12, which is 6,000 naira. Now these are the withdrawal process and these are the withdrawal procedures, so that you will have a clear understanding about the withdrawals. Now here are the ebooks they said you are able to sell on the platform. As you can see, these are ebooks on the platform which people are selling, or which you can sell and have 70% commission if you sell an ebook, and you can also publish your ebooks. Now this is an ebook course on from wannabe to freelancer, which is $10, you can see, and this is another ebook again, 6 online money making secret, and this another ebook course again is called Python for beginners, and this another ebook. Now this is another ebook course again, 100 couple stories, which is $10 also. Top 5 hidden ways to get referrals, $10 also. And okay, here's another ebook again. Okay, successful weight loss, $10. This is an ebook course, successful weight loss, $10. And setting goals and creating action plans, $10. Don't look, $20. How to sell as an idiot, $10. And how to generate leads using WhatsApp marketing made easy. And these are ebook courses on the platform you can sell, and you can have 70% commission for any sale you make. Okay, and also you can also publish your ebook course on this very platform. So I just went ahead and do my own research, and I found out that there are the courses you can sell on the platform. So you can just go ahead and check it out and know what I'm talking about. So now here are some top earners on the platform. Okay, Vivian Talks Money. Okay, this person has made over $14,000. This person has made over $14,000, which is their top earner. That's huge. And Oko Ungozin has made over $9,000. Okay, that is $9,300. Okay, and this other person right here, Deuce TV Sammy, has made over $8,500. Okay, $1 is 500, meaning $1,000 is around 500,000 naira. Okay, someone making $12, someone making $12,000 and $8,000. That's millions. Okay, this very person right here, Jennifer Obaju, $5,000. Benjamin, $4,700. Amma Messi, $3,400. And this other person, Okpara Daniel, over $3,000. And these are more people making money from this very platform. I won't be able to go through them one by one, so you can do the findings yourself, and you can also do your own research. But these are my own unique research I've done about the platform, and also my findings about people who are already using the platforms. Now your question now is this platform legit or is this scam? Okay, now with my little research I've done about the platform, and with the information I've gathered, and from the experience I've gathered from people who are currently using the platform, and from the information we have gathered from their website, now you cannot decide if it's legit or scam, if you have to go ahead with it or if you are not to go ahead with it. Now this is not left for you. If you want to register on the platform, you can comment below, or you can just easily click on the link in my description, or I'll be leaving it in the comment section. Now you might be asking, are people making money from this platform? So yes, people are still making money from this platform. Now what are your thoughts about this video and about this platform? Let me know in the comment section. And if you are currently on this platform, also let me know in the comment section. Share your contribution in the comment section. Tell me your experience about this platform, so that others can also learn from you. Now if you want to register on this platform, you want me to guide you, click the link in my pinned comment or the first link in my description, so that you can reach out to me on WhatsApp, so that I can guide you on how you can get registered. So share your contribution and share your thoughts in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video to the very end. And if you have not subscribed, please do it right now and subscribe to the channel. And having one of this platform is not enough in Nigeria. If you want to learn more ways to improve your earning portfolio, click on this video showing on your screen right now to learn how you can make money online for free.